but maybe just stick your head in it. This is more like a Thanksgiving buffet than it is a Bloody Mary. Tell us a little bit about what is going on here, because it's insane.
We just add everything that we put into all of our other Bloody Marys, and then we add a 3-pound chicken.
That's it then, right? Just add the 3-pound chicken, which is in the middle here, which is being sustained weight-wise by what?
The wooden spoon, and I'm checking everybody's pockets.
Running low on wooden spoons. People like to take this, you can't take it with you. Well, this is one of the most incredible things I've ever seen in my entire life, and I don't know how you go at it.